Hey y'all, hey, guess where we are? We're down here once again in MURRELLS Inlet at the 9th annual Santa Crawl. Let's go check it out. We're coming down here in search of the best ho-ho. So let's start pulling in some ho-hos and look at all these cool Santa costumes, right, Beatbox?
Right. Is my hat hitting?
Yeah, your hat's hitting me in the head.
Okay. Okay, so right here we're gonna slide into Creek Rats and see what they have on this side and try to swing around.
That's right. So I wanted to show y'all what Beatbox had on because he keeps on hitting me with his hat. So he's extra. Hold on, they didn't even get to see the L. There you go. Number one.
Okay.
All right, and we just need to do your best ho-ho. So you ready?
Oh, like a Santa ho-ho?
Yeah, Santa ho-ho.
So what's your name?
Steve.
Steve. So here we go, all right?
Ho, 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 ho.
Oh, I think that's pretty good.
All right.
Steve, there you go. Steve is number one. Merry Christmas. There you go, Steve. That was the Santa ho-ho. Ready? Al, number two, and he's going to try his luck at the Santa ho-ho. You ready?
All right. Go ahead. Go ahead, Al. Is it Al? A-L?
All right.
Go ahead and do it real loud.
Ready? Go.
Ho, ho, ho.
All right. That's Al number two.
Al number two. The best ho-ho out here. They can do the best. All right, you ready? You got this. Number three. What's your name, number three?
Don.
Okay, you ready, Don? You're going to you ready? Give it a try.
Right. Ho, 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 ho.
Oh, there you go, Don. And that's number three.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a good night. All right, so number four.
Number four, what's your name? And huh?
Vinny.
Vinny.
Okay, Vinny.
All right.
All right, Vinny. Give it your best shot.
Ho, ho, ho.
Oh, I
Ho,
like that.
ho.
All right.
That was
That's
good,
Vinny.
Vinny. All right, so we're going to do it just like we did on the Witch's Ball. So look for it and we'll announce the winner, okay? Thank you. All right, number 6. Number 6. All right, what's your name, number 6?
Santa Claus.
Are you sure?
Are you the real Santa?
I am.
All right. What do you go by other than Santa Claus?
Nick.
Okay, well, this is Nick. Nick. All right, Santa, do your best ho ho ho.
Ho, ho, ho!
There you go. That was a good Santa.
What number is that?
Number 6. There you
Number
go, Santa. Santa Nick. All we need you to do is your best ho ho ho. So you want to stand up? Now listen, we've known Bobby all my life, so he's from my hometown.
And what number is he?
He's not lucky number 7.
Lucky
On your FM dial.
Oh, look at that.
Ho, ho, baby.
All right, you got to do that again. That was awesome. All right, here we go. And go, Bobby.
Lucky number 7. Ho, 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 baby, on your FM dial.
Now, that is awesome. See there, Bobby? Thank you so
You're
much.
welcome.
And Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
He said it's full. It's full. But we got number 8, Daniel. You ready?
Ho, ho, ho!
All right.
Good, Daniel. Here you go. You're number 8.
Number 8.
All right. well, there you have it. That was a look at the 9th annual Santa Crawl right here in Murrells Inlet. Hope you enjoyed this video.
We had a great time on the Marsh Walk, and if you did enjoy this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to let you know what's going on around the beach.
And don't forget to pick your favorite Santa with that ho ho ho.
Merry Christmas!
Well, there you go. See you in the next video.